Hello there. Today is my last day of internship and this is what I'm wearing. And I'm about to close a very important chapter of my life. So without any further ado, let's go.
I think it's time to stop. I fucked up everything we ever made. Some people change, but you know I won't. Maria, I won't. Don't trust me, forgive me. You have to find a way. Maria, I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me, believe me. You have to run away. What you expect me to do? Push you away when we're both feeling blue. No lies can help with what you're going through. Some things can change, but you know it won't. Why do we wait for the worst? Everyone knows that the ending is cursed. This ship is sinking, so just say the words. Some people change, but you know I won't. Maria, I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me, forgive me. You have to find a way. Maria, I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me, believe me. You have to run away.
Yeah. Say hi to my YouTube. How are you feeling? It's your last day.
Bye.
Lunchtime done well.
दिखाए होंगे बट अगेन उसमें वही
It's never better when mistakes are made again. You know we're not the same. Hurting will break the chains. It's never better when mistakes are made again. There's poisons in my veins. Liars are all the same.
क्या आप इस वीडियो में आना चाहोगे? पर मैं तो लूँगी आपको इवन इफ यू से क्या नहीं आना चाहिए। Say hi.
सुना है केक कट रहा है? नहीं बुलावा, मुझे भी बुलावा है। Though we've never met actually. It's great not working with you because this is the first time. Maybe. You never know that.
Yes.
Right,
all start.
लंगा लगेगा.
ऐसे खा सकते हैं
ऐसे
ना,
खा सकते हैं
ऐसे ये हमारे यहाँ तो यही तमीज है ऑफिस में. Thank you for having me here. शादी में
लास्ट डे आज. हाँ इंटर्नशिप में अब देखते हैं दोबारा शायद आने को मिले तो. हाँ पक्का. ओके बाय. थैंक यू. खत्म 2 महीने. Say hi to my vlog. गर्ल्स देखो पीछे. हाय बोलो.
एक साथ ही दीदी छोड़ देंगे ना.
क्या?
स्टाइपेंड पूरा. हाँ आई थिंक वी गोइंग टू गेट देयर सैलरी ऑन वेडनेसडे.
हमारी
I think
they don't process the whole documents of the death certificate. That's the question. Are you avoiding? What? Not good. Hi. So we have officially come to the end of this video. I mean, not this video. I have officially closed this chapter. I have my dinner here and I'll get to... क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? I've officially closed this chapter of my life. And now when I see myself before I actually moved to Gurgaon, before I started this internship, and now when I see myself, there's a striking contrast. It's just been 2 months and I have grown so much from this internship. This city, the people that I met here, all of them have taught me so much, so many things. I made many mistakes and I learned so many things from this internship. And honestly, this company was my dream company and I really wanted to work here. But when I started working, when I started this internship, it felt like I have been dreaming everything wrong. Like, this is not where I wanted to be. But eventually, as I got used to the work environment, I got more friendly to people. People got to know me. We got along much very well. I blended with them. I talked about life. I talked about their experiences. I put myself out there, and that is when I realized that no, this is exactly that I wanted to do. It's just that I was the one hesitating and not putting myself out there. So tables turn as soon as you put yourself out there and you step outside of your comfort zone. And literally today I was sitting and staring at my vision board. You guys might have seen it. That I felt that most of the things on that vision board got true, honestly. And the feeling that I was feeling so grateful today. And honestly, I started the day with a lot of gratefulness towards God, that thank you so much for giving me this entire experience at this office. And I was quite sad that my team was absent today, so there were only a few people on my team who actually came today. They had been working late till last night, so they were all on work from home. So I'll be sitting down right now texting all of them a big thank you note and just telling them to stay in touch and just showing them my gratefulness. And also during the lunch period, I and my co-worker, she was also an intern from NIFT. We both played foosball, and that is where I got this ball from, just as a memorandum for me to remember all of the good memories that I spent in that company for the past 2 months. It literally became like a home to me, and by the end of the day I wasn't expecting anything from anyone, like even if they will give me a farewell party or anything. But at last, as soon as the clock hit 6, my friend came up to me and he was like, chalo client meeting hai, jana hai, tum bhi chalo hamare sath. And I was like, will I end this internship on a client meeting note? And then as soon as I walked towards the cafeteria, I was like so surprised. They had this whole cake saying best wishes Gauravi, and I was so happy. It was so unexpected. I was so surprised. And I mean, I was feeling so overwhelmed, yet anxious, yet nervous, because it felt like I have literally built a whole community of people, like-minded people who really care for each other, and also I've got too attached to them. It was like a whole family. By the end of these 2 months, I got so much attached to this place that I feel I don't want to leave anymore. But chapters have to be closed to move on to a next chapter. You have to end one thing to begin something new. And honestly, I've learned so much. I've grown so much out of this whole thing, and I'm so grateful for it. I still feel so heavy, yet I'm so overwhelmed, and I'm so grateful to whatever happened throughout these 2 months. I've realized so many things in life, and now I really get the whole gist of this summer internship thing in between your 3rd and 4th year. Now I get it, why it is placed at such a right time in my curriculum, in the curriculum of NIFT. So yeah, I don't have anything much more to say, because the more I speak, the more less words I have to describe my experience. I would just like to thank all of the people who have made these 2 months a success. And this is my last vlog in this city. The next vlog you will be seeing will be either in Chandigarh or in Patna, most probably. Patna, I guess. It will be Patna only, because I think I need a break. I need to collect my mind and just sit on it, think about what all things happened throughout these 2 months, and just learn from them and grow from it even more before entering college for the last time, for the last semester. And after that, it'll be entirely the industry. So yeah. Well, yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have been watching till the end, I'm so super grateful for you, and I appreciate you a lot. Do let me know in the comment section below if you are actually aspiring to have a last day of internship like me, and if also you're the one watching till now, do let me know in the comment section below that yes, I am the ones who is still watching. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey here in Gurgaon as a project trainee at my company, and I'm so grateful for every single one of you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the comment button, and of course share it with your fellow people, share it with your peeps, share it with your fam. Don't forget to tell them about my experiences, and do share your experiences down below in the comment section. Yes, I'll take your leave now. Thank you so much. Don't forget, I have another YouTube channel known as O Kamliye. Don't forget to subscribe to that as well. Check that out. And all my socials are linked down below. Do hit me a DM. And yeah, let's become besties. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Thank you. I love you.